Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by recording with your phone camera in HDR or Dolby Vision when possible. Use manual or pro camera settings to lock exposure and preserve highlights. Frame your shot to include bright and dark areas for true dynamic range. Keep ISO low and use a tripod or steady support to avoid noise and blur during dark scenes. Transfer original files back to your phone without recompression to keep quality intact for editing later in Inshot. Open Inshot and import the original HDR footage into a new project. Use light controls to boost highlights and recover shadows gently, preserving midtones and detail. Increase saturation and vibrance moderately to enhance color while avoiding clipping of bright areas. Apply a mild LUT or movie filter to simulate HDR tonality and adjust its intensity to taste. Use sharpen and grain sparingly to keep clarity without creating artifacts or banding in gradients. When exporting, choose H. 265 HEVC if your device supports that codec for better color depth. Set resolution and frame rate to match your source, for example 4K at 30 FPS, to avoid resampling. Select the highest bitrate available in Inshot, such as 40 Mbps or higher, to preserve detail. Note that Inshot does not embed true HDR metadata, so upload the HEVC file to YouTube or compatible platforms that can interpret HDR to achieve the best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.